Hello! In this section, we are going to learn how to move around in Blender's 3D view. The first movement is rotation. Hold down the middle mouse button and move the mouse. Move by holding down the Shift and middle mouse button and zoom by scrolling. There are a few small tools on the right side of the 3D view. The circle is for rotation, the magnifying glass is for zooming, and the hand is for moving. To go directly to different views, we use the numbers on the numpad. 1 front view, 3 right views, 7 up views, and to go to their opposite angles, Control 1 back, Control 3 left, Control 7 down. For gradual movement or slow rotation, we use the numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8. To go to the camera view, we can enter the camera with the 0 key on the numpad, or we can click on the camera icon on the side of the screen. We can switch between perspective and orthographic mode with the 5 key on the numpad, or we can use the icon on the side of the screen.